Hey Google, stop.
One taught me patience.
What is up, you guys? It's Anna. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today we have a first. I am obviously, I don't know why I'm like making it a big deal. You obviously saw the title, you obviously clicked on it. Today we're gonna unbox a new purse that I recently got. This is my second ever designer purse that I bought brand new. I have a couple vintage Louis Vuittons, which if you guys are interested, I can totally make a video about like my handbag collection. I do have some and I do have my 2 cents. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my YSL Lulu small bag. I know some of you are literally just here to see the unboxing, so I obviously don't want to waste your time. I'm going to make that right now, and after that I'm definitely going to chat a little bit more about why that purse and what it means to me to buy it, and etc, etc. Yeah, anyways, let's go to the unboxing part. The purse came in this giant box that I have not even touched. I mean, I opened it to see what's in there. I have not even opened this one. It comes with 2 little envelopes. One is just a few random, if I can open it, gosh, paperwork, shipping label. I actually purchased it directly from the Yves Saint Laurent website, because I know they have it like at Nordstrom and other stores, but I just wanted to get it from the place to get probably like the best packaging. Anyways, there's like the receipt, the label, and then this is information about the returns. But may I say, this paper, it's pretty silky, soft, and thick. It's not just like any printer paper. And then this is just a black card that says Saint Laurent. And then over here, I have this little letter because I mean, this was a 100% a conscious purchase, but I was definitely a little bit tipsy when I ordered it. It was probably like 8 p.m. on a weekday, and I was done with work, and I felt like drinking some wine and tipsy. So a lot of this I actually don't remember. With the gift wrapping, it gives you an option to write a little card. And of course I decided to write myself one, and you know, I'm gonna read it to you. Why not? So it says, "Congrats, babe." I hate when people say babe. Like, babe is
my pet peeve.
Especially lately with the whole social media world. All the girls are like, hey babe. So anyways, it says, "Congrats, babe. I'm so proud of you and everything that you've accomplished." I am. "Here's to reaching many more milestones." This is so funny. "I am open and ready to receive an infinite flow of abundance." Which, I mean, yeah, that's stuff I say to myself every single day, but just like, I thought it was gonna be funnier, but the babe. Congrats, babe. Oh, let's open this baby up. I'm so excited. I'm gonna split the screen. Got her box. Let's put her down. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous, but this one this way. This one this way. Oh my gosh, you guys. Box this out. Ooh, fancy. We got some paper that says Saint Laurent, and it's printed. Oh my gosh. There she is. I can feel her. Oh gosh. She is so... Oh my goodness. She is so... That is mine. That is my purse right there. I can't believe that. Oh my gosh. And it's like the gold hardware. Wow. Oh yeah, the size is literally perfect. It fits so much in there. It comes with a tag that says Saint Laurent Paris. Oh my goodness. You guys, she's perfect. It fits so much, so much. It's like, it's deep. And then the chain, oh my goodness. I love her so much. Honestly, it's everything and more than I expected. The size is amazing. I definitely would have gone any bigger. I feel like I just want a bag that I can wear every single day, that fits a lot, but also is small enough to go out at night. So I feel like this is the perfect day to night bag. Anything bigger will be definitely uncomfortable for like going out. Just on the inside, I love the leather. It smells like, honestly, like unlike any other leather I've had. I've had leather purses, but this one just smells so different. Like, it's not very stinky. I love how everything has a little Saint Laurent emblem. On the straps right here, it says Saint Laurent Paris. Also on the little eyelets that we call them, like up here, those have Saint Laurent as well. when you open it, even like the little zipper and inside. I was honestly expecting a thicker chain, maybe like twice the thickness of it, but I feel like it's still fine. It still looks pretty enough. And then on the inside, it has two main compartments, a zipper in the middle, and then like this little bag in here. On the back, it doesn't have a pocket here. The zipper, oh, the zipper is a little rough. Or, oh, there's something in there actually. It comes with this little, this is an authenticity card. Let's see. Yep, it says, honestly don't know what any of this means, but I guess if one day I want to sell it, this is what I need to keep so I can sell it and make sure it's authentic. I am so happy with it. It's so big. My phone, let me get it up. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So for size comparison, check this out. Obviously big enough to fit it and even more. So perfect for that. I hate that when I got this phone, a lot of my small purses don't make it fit anymore. It also could fit standing up if you want, actually, like this. You see that standing up and closes perfectly. So if you have a big iPhone, this bag is it for you. Like I said, I have a couple of designer bags. Most of them are just used. There's this husband and wife little small business back when I used to live in LA, or they used to, I don't know, I haven't been there obviously in a year since I moved. But they had this little stand in like flea markets and all that they sold used designer bags like Louis Vuitton mostly. So I got some from them because it was like cheaper. First off, I 100% recommend that your first designer bag, you do buy it used, just because it's such a big investment to buy any like high-end designer purse to sort of regret it. And I feel like for me, this whole time I've been buying used bags, and that was perfect, let's say, practice to see what it's like, how to take care of it, how it's so much money, like to see how bad it like hits you to spend that kind of amount of money. I purchased a total of 3 Louis Vuitton bags that were used. I'll just insert some pictures so you guys can see the ones that I have while I'm talking about that. So I have a backpack, I have a shoulder bag, and I have a crossbody bag, which for all those 3, 2 of them I've actually been through phases where I want to get rid of them. Obviously backpacks were like a huge trend in, I would say, like 2019. And I'm glad I went for a used designer one instead of buying like what would have been like $3,000 for one. The crossbody bag, I loved it, but I didn't use it. I don't know, my lifestyle, what I need my purse to fit, I didn't use it that much. That actually I ended up selling in order to get some money to buy this one. I have actually been wanting to buy this one since 2017. This video, it's 2021 in case you're watching this video way later. So for many years I've been wanting to buy it, and I just decided to hold on a little bit. What I did instead is if you've seen any of my content, you're probably super familiar with this one purse that I have from Coach. I'm gonna put an image right here, and it's called the Parker bag, and it's basically the exact same thing as this bag. Like I remember I got my tax returns and I got like about 60 to 70% of the money to buy this purse. I was about to do it, but I was like, you know what, let's just wait a little bit. I was a little bit scared to make that kind of commitment. I bought the Coach Parker bag, which was only $300. I mean, $300 versus over $2,000. Obviously, it's a huge difference. And I got to keep all of my tax returns, which is amazing. For the past 3 years, I've been wearing the Parker bag on and off a lot. And I'm glad I did, because for a while when I got it, I used it so much and I was so in love with it. But then I stopped using it for probably a year, and I was so glad, because in my mind I was like, this would have been the YSL bag. And then in the past 2 years, more specifically in the last year, if you guys have seen any of my styling videos, my outfit pictures on Instagram, I literally wear that bag in every single outfit. That's when I decided I think it's time that I actually buy my dream bag. I would recommend buying, because I know if you buy one from like Forever 21 or Aces or Amazon that looks exactly like your designer bag, and I know from experience it's not the same. So I would recommend looking into another designer, more affordable bag. For example, Coach right now is it. Like they have so many cute bags. So buy starting small, like it is, I mean, it's not like super cheap, and see how that plays into your everyday life, your wardrobe, how much use you get out of it. If you get over it, just be patient and like don't sell it right away. Stick with it, see if in a year like you'll wear it again. That way you can make like a very informative and educated decision. So that is why I have absolutely zero regrets of buying this purse. I know if I would have purchased it a few years back, I would have bought it and spent the money, but been very nervous about that. And you obviously want to enjoy like buying a designer purse. Like it's an investment, but it also should be celebrated because you deserve it. Most likely you worked really hard for it, unless you have a sugar daddy, which I don't. I am my own sugar daddy. And bags are my love language. One of the things I've always told myself is that also if you buy a purse, it's not the end of the world also if you regret getting it, because you can always sell it and make back the same amount of money, if not a little bit more. For example, the crossbody bag that I sold, and that is a perfect example that it's not stupid to spend your money on designer bags if that's what you're into. People are into watches, camera equipment. Some people, I guess, because it's like a very materialistic thing, like if you buy a purse, it's stupid, but actually you can sell it for the same amount, if not much, once you're over it. So like you definitely make your money back. Don't think it's a stupid investment. You actually can get some out of it. Like worst case scenario, you sell it for the same amount that you purchased it and you're even, so don't worry about it. I feel like anybody that's not invested in my content on a personal life level, this is where you exit, you click out. Feel free to click out. If you're gonna stick around for the next, I don't know, however many minutes of whatever I'm gonna rant about, thank you so much, I love you. You guys leave it up to me to get emotional about a bag. Like, could I be more Cancer? If you're an OG subscriber follower, then you might know that I got fired last November, but if you've been following me for even more time, I have been balancing social media with my 9 to 5 for 3 years, and it has always been a dream of mine to let go of my 9 to 5 and become a full-time content creator. Obviously, this is where I'm at now. For me, this also represents, I don't know, the fact that I was able to buy this purse for myself when I'm like, how would you call that? Self-employed? I think that's a word I'm looking for, I guess. It wasn't because of money that I got in a 9 to 5 that I was very unhappy at. It just means a lot more that I was able to buy this purse doing literally what I love for a living, which is this, what you're watching right now. I've been working for myself for the past few months. I'm self-employed, I'm independent, I'm literally living the dream, you guys. Me and my bag are gonna leave you guys here. Thank you so much for watching. Oh my gosh, cannot wait to style this bag. It's gonna be so much fun. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know if you like this video. If you'd like me to talk about designer bags, let me know. I would love to give you my 2 cents. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. You're so far. I'll just, when I edit, I'll make it look cool. Bye.